Do I have to do the forward backward thing?
You will need to do that so that way it basically ties a knot. That's the whole purpose of that reverse, is so it ties a knot for you basically.
Are you videoing that?
Yeah. Press the button and just step on it real quick. It doesn't have to go far. Just a little boom, boom, and that's it. Press the button first before stepping. Yeah. Good. Stop. Now go ahead. That's right. You can stop at any time.
Yeah, kind of like...
Don't worry about it. It's fine. You're not going for... You're learning.
Is that your phone?
Are you looking at my phone? You can stop at any time. Don't rush. Don't rush. Take your time. You let your foot off the pedal and it stops. And then you adjust it. Go slow. You're going a little fast. There's no need to go so fast when you're just learning. And don't sew your hair. There you go, stop. Yeah, there you go. Little by little. You can do like an inch at a time if you need. Accuracy is key. Accuracy is key. And you know when you get to the end, so like, to the end a little, and then go do the back and then forward, and then you're done. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's beautiful. Stop. Yep. Just real quick, and then go forward again.
Oh, yeah.
And you sew right through. Stop. And you're good. Good job.